Guys, please welcome to my channel That's Mom's Passion. Today we are going to discuss about the ground cover. So ground cover is any plant that grows over the area of ground. Ground cover protects the topsoil from erosion and drought. We can use them as mulching, and mulching has several benefits. So free wood chips, some kind of hub compost, and shredded newspapers, straws, and shredded leaves also can helpful as a mulching method. But how I have used my greenery plants to make a ground cover in such a beautiful way, just have a look and enjoy the video. Sedums are wonderful succulents, drought-tolerant plants and that grow like weeds and need little babying. These are perennial plants with little thick fleshy leaves. This is how they are grown with their maximum beauty with my perennial plants. This is another pot which is having a maximum growth. Once the pot is filled with maximum growth of this plant, you need to just repot it. And this is a big croton plant, and it's quite big, you can see, and the ground cover is being covered by these beautiful sedums. Just please have a look over it. They are hardy, easy to care, and beloved by the pollinators. This is a very old banyan tree. It has been designed as a bonsai banyan. It is more than 30 years, and you can see from the growth of the stem and the ground cover. Now let's talk about the pest or insect attacks to the sedums. Mealybugs, snails and some tiny insects can affect. But remember, if your plant is healthy, then less chance of this kind of insect attack. Never come across any kind of pest attack on my plants. You can see they are super healthy. Once the plants are being affected by this kind of pest, then I recommend to spray some kind of neem oil with soap water. That will be enough for the pest to go away. So they are great option for use as a mulching on these pots in this summer. Not only they add greenery to garden, but also they provide a protection on the soil, and also they protect the water to evaporate. These plants not only act as a mulching or ground cover, they are great option for adding a greenery to the balcony garden. You can see this another variety of sedum, which is lemon lemon or the golden variety, looks vibrant and also gives a there is no such fertilizer demand for these plants, and these are very beautiful addition to any garden, and also their easy propagation is just fulfilling the term thrown and grown. Next ground cover plant is the turtle vine or Bolivian Jew, which is a succulent or creeping plant. This is a perennial plant, and the fleshy delicate leaves grow faster than you can ever imagine. This is also a tolerant to various environment, and yes, due to its rapid growth, it covers the pot very fast. Its creeping and trailing nature looks completely different and very attractive. the plants which do not have germination from the roots, it is mostly suitable for those plants to use as a ground cover. It can be useful for preparing any kind of tower. They are a great addition to the garden, and in this summer they give a great vibrant greenery to any part of the garden. Just here, see this healthy, beautifully grown hibiscus plant. Many birds are there in each of the stem, and the ground cover of this beautiful plant is being covered by the turtle vines. And the beautiful growth of these turtle vines, just please have a look over it. The trailing nature of these beautiful plants gives extra bonus for the beautification of the overall look of the garden. They are overgrown all around the pot. In the backside also they are grown like crazy. These are also the category of the plants which are just thrown and grown. Although these plants are not so much recommended for the plants which are grown from the roots or germination occurs from the roots, but here in this snake plant they covered the plant pot so beautifully, and they are great addition to cover the ground in summer. Unnecessary growth of the weeds or some different kinds of grasses can be avoided by covering these pots with these beautiful plants. Here have a look over the ground cover in the backside of our garden, where there is no plants almost, and it is covering and gives a great addition of greenery to the overall look of the garden, and it's so beautiful that I cannot ever imagine. It can be a ground cover for any kind of plant. Just have a look over this beautiful rose. And the ground cover of this beautiful rose is trailed by the beautiful turtle vine. Just have a look over it. Bright and indirect sunlight is optimal for the maximum growth of these beautiful plants. Prolonged sunlight can make dried leaves. In case of the overgrowth or some kind of leaves drying, then you can just repot it. Repotting is super easy, and it is also in a category of thrown and grown plant. Till now, I never come across any kind of pest attack to this beautiful plant. I never sprayed any kind of herbal or chemical insecticide on them. The wandering Jew or Tradescantia javrina is truly one of the easiest grown plants, and the purple leaves look so vibrant and decorative to any pot space or garden space. It is an indirect sunlight lover, and it is also a plant which also just a kind of thrown and grown category of the list. They just grow like crazy, and you can see they are so healthy, and the leaves are so wider and so strong in color. All the plants they have been growing in addition to some other plants. Some are maybe like seasonal, and some are just perennials. Just see the multiple plants in one pot. looks so wonderful. Don't you think so? All the plants that we have discussed, which are cover the ground so amazingly, they can be also a great addition as a hanging plant. So guys, if you like the video, please like, subscribe and share with your loved ones. So please subscribe to my channel, that's Mom's Passion.